I'm about to show you the exact budget that made my $500 last 35 days. And if you stick with me, you'll never run out of money again. But first, here's the mistake 90% of students make when they try to budget. They think budgeting means cutting out all the fun. That's the fast track to giving up. This is what we're building today, a system where you can still eat out, shop a little, chill with friends, and still have cash left over. But none of this works if you mess up step one. Real talk, ever opened your bank app and seen $12 staring back at you? Yeah, I've been there. 19 years old, blew my paycheck in 4 days. 2 weeks of ramen, no fun, no money, just regret. And you know what? People tried to help me. My sister, my dad, even my roommate. But I was stubborn. I thought I could just wing it. Then, boom, my car breaks down. $400 repair. Bank account, $37. Cue, panic. Borrowed from 3 friends, called my parents. That's when I realized they weren't trying to control me. They were trying to save me from this exact mess. Write this. Saying no to your friends because you're broke? Asking your parents for help again? Feeling ashamed because you ignored the signs? That ends today. I'm the common sense guy, and in the next 6 minutes, you're getting the same system over 1,000 students have used to stop going broke. And if you stay till minute 5, I'll show you the one mindset shift that made it finally click. But if you skip step 1, you'll be broke by day 15. Let's go. Let's talk about the 3 mistakes killing your budget. Mistake number 1, thinking you need perfect self-control. Nope, this works even if you suck at discipline. Mistake number 2, budgeting based on fantasy numbers. Just because you plan to only spend $50 doesn't mean you will. Mistake number 3, budgeting monthly when your brain thinks weekly. Quick gut check. Are you just watching, or are you actually going to try this? Drop a yes in the comments if you're serious. This is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's what it looks like on $500. $250 for needs, $150 for wants, $100 for savings. Only $150 for fun? That's nothing. Hang on. Most people mislabel their needs. Sarah thought she was spending $300 on needs, but $180 was actually wants. She was lying to herself. Groceries, $120. Transport, $80. School, $30. Phone bill, $20. Starbucks? Want. Netflix? Want. Late night pizza? Definitely want. But here's the beautiful part. You still get $150 guilt-free for fun. You're not cutting fun, you're containing it. Jake used this system and saved $400 in 2 months. He said, "It's the first time I ended the month with money still in my account." Remember when I said your brain thinks weekly? That's the secret. Stop budgeting monthly. Turn that $500 into $125 per week, or $62.50 every few days. Weekly breakdown. $62.50 for needs, $37.50 for wants, $25 for savings. Feels easier, right? I just need to make this $125 stretch. Confession time. I blew $200 in week 1, 8 peanut butter sandwiches for 3 weeks straight. All right, if you're still watching, you're in the top 10%. Here's how to lock this in today. Action 1, check your real income. Screenshot it. Action 2, make 2 lists. List 1, things you literally can't live without. List 2, everything else. Be ruthless. Action 3, track every dollar for 7 days. App, notebook, doesn't matter. Bonus, snap pics of every receipt. Text yourself, need or want. 1,000 plus students said this one habit changed everything. That's how you make $500 last all month. This isn't about restriction, it's about saying yes with a plan. But what if your laptop dies or your car needs a $200 repair? That's how you make $2. I'll show you how to build your first emergency fund. I'll also share the $800 mistake that wrecked me. You don't want to repeat it. If this helped you rethink money, hit like and subscribe. Seriously, it helps more than you know. Comment below, what's one thing you're going to stop spending on this week? You don't need more money. You need a plan that works. And now, you've got one.